So good old Dodge, friggin', once it starts raining, of course, it always happens when you need something. This old son of a diddly. What fucking good is that? Fucking, the old dingus end from inside there came off the old rotary antler. So, first of all, full disclosure, no idea what I'm doing. All I know is I got to get to work in like an hour. And, yeah. So, some bitch popped. Why do they make them so heavy?
Warning. The following program contains a Canadian redneck who doesn't quite know what he's doing, coarse language, and mature subject matter. Viewer discretion is advised.
Good as that, Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looks like 9 Filipes. You're gonna have to pull the warpers off. Okay, let's remember. Okay, it's down. It's down. Gotta pull them off. Hang on. Da, da, da. Oy. Why is it always in the most inopportune times? I have no idea what I'm doing, but I need these off now. Come on! Batman, help me! Okay, well I gotta get it from this side now. Come on! One click tighter. Click. Doesn't hurt. Oh, I really hope I don't fuck this up. Come on. What if I go like this? Oh man, there has to be a trick. Okay, first I thought my wiper motor died. Oh no, that would be too easy. Alright, technical difficulties, stand by. Alright, so trick for the wipers, you just gotta go flargin' hog wild. And it also helps to have one of these to give her one of those. So, yeah, got the screws out now. I'm gonna see what lies under yonder. Oh no. Oh, there better not be screws there. If there's screws there, then I'm screwed. Please! Oh, fuck, you know there's probably screws there. Ouch. Oh, I don't wanna. Then I'm gonna have other problems. Then I'm gonna have water on the inside instead of water on the outside. That's worser. Screwdriver. Oh, we're good. Okay. Trick is to pull it outwards. Oh, thank friggin' God. Okay. Well, we're gonna have to climb in. Good thing there's enough room in this old Sonnet 6 for like 9 2-4s. Oh, clearly we have some blow-by. Okay. Ouch. Careful for hot radiator. Don't step on the power steering pump. Okay, get it. Oh, why did I have to wear the big boots? Okay. Where is this thing? Where does it attach to? Oh, there it is. Found it. Down here. Oh, that doesn't look good. How do I... What the fuck? Ooh, we're gonna have to figure out a better way to mount that fucking son of a bitch. Tell you what. This thing fucking come off? Oh, it's pressed in, so that's not gonna fucking work. Okay, let's regroup. Grab our... This is a worm setup, so I can't spin it. Otherwise, okay. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, please be proper threaded. Oh, you're dicked. Oh, yeah, that ain't gonna fucking work at all. Great. Let's just give you a spin of a thing. Okay, well, so there is our culprit. Okay, time to get out the old. Hey, focus, you fuck. You shit on the lines? I think that made it worse. Fuck it. Ooh, yeah, that's no fucking good. No wonder. Okay. Sweet. Yeah, that's no fucking good. However, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna have to wrap some wire around that. And why is there a notch? Why is there a notch there? It's odd. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna have to wrap a fuck ton of wire around there and just fucking hope for the best. Okay, so the good old electrician wire hack. This is a typical tying wire, comes in specified lengths. I just kept wrapping until when you press up, she doesn't go. Just gonna give him a snip and button her back up and see if we can get her to cheech. Moment of truth. Contact. Great success. Okay, so friggin' thanks for watching, you know. Smash that like button, fucking preach big time. Make sure you check out the Instagram, sneaky peeks, for all the words, and those are little squishing down, you know, W, and freaking, just hear some videos from, I'm gonna mention from earlier, and, you know, yell at me down below me, friggin' what you like, what you don't like, and all that kind of stuff, and, you know, good things, and friggin' things, and, you know, until next time, eat shit and brap on, and don't let the vultures get you.